Caroline, wake up. Caroline, wake up. You're going backwards. Come here, baby. Quit leaning on that thing. Come here. Step up. There you go. There you go. Come here. There you go. There you go, baby. Look at you. Your hair in your eyes. Yeah. Yeah, you like it all tussled. Tussle that hair. Still, you sound raspy or something. Got warm breath. You got sweet breath, baby. You smell like grass. Yeah, I found you eating grass, and the vet said for you not to eat grass for an hour. Oh yeah, she had to eat that grass. That's one tired girl. Yeah, she's a tired girl. You sound like you got a snotty nose. Let's do something to you to make it that way. I'll be glad when that gets out of you. Oh, baby's poor bum knee. You and your daddy with your bum knees. There's a pretty girl. Yeah. Like a nose with feet. You got a nose with feet. She said, shut up and let me sleep.